What is up, guys? So we just got the new Vega modified V3 splitter. It's over there. Just showed up today. I unboxed it. I couldn't wait. Here's the little side fins. Quality is pretty good, as always, from Vega. See, I got their canards right there. And then I got the aluminum splitter rods, fully adjustable. I think these can stretch out to about 10 inches, which should be totally fine for my front bumper. But yeah, I'm gonna get started. So the first thing we gotta do is pull off the front bumper, couple clips, couple tabs, couple screws, and then I will get started installing. So what you're gonna need for this job, the ratchet, a T30 Torx bit you can find at your local hardware store or AutoZone, and then a flathead screwdriver. So pretty easy. Everybody should have them. And if you don't have a T30, just use a flathead. You can use a small flathead. Most of the time you'll be able to get them out. If not, you're just gonna have to resort to T30. All right, we just got the bumper off. There was a couple bolts up here on the sides, and then you just gotta remove your headlights. It's pretty easy. And the bolts are right here. You gotta take your hood latch, and then just a couple on the bottom. So yeah, that's the whole bumper, and then we're gonna get started right there, installing it. All right, I gotta clean up a little bit just so I have enough room to work because it's pretty crowded in here. I will be right back. Okay, I just finished cleaning. So there are little push pins right here and that line up with the splitter down there. It's kind of hard to see, but it's right there. So I'm guessing that's where that goes. I mean, that'd be the smartest place, just so you don't have to drill a bunch of holes in your bumper. And then right here, you can kind of see this one's already out. And then I don't see any other holes, so we're probably gonna drill a little bit. But it should be pretty straightforward. Yeah. And then these two holes are for that piece right there. Now you will attempt to watch me try to put these exactly where they're supposed to go. Yeah, this is gonna be harder than I thought. So I just did run into my first problem. So I put the first two bolts in right here and right here, but the whole thing like bowed. It like pushed out like that. So I don't know how it's gonna look. I might need a drill. See how it's kind of bowed up? Looks kind of funky. I don't know. Maybe it's supposed to look like that. It's looking okay so far. And then to install the hardware, I'm using a 7/16 for the top of the nut, and then T25 Torx bit. So yeah, you're gonna have to drill a couple holes, not a lot, and you're not gonna be able to see them if you decide to sell your car in the future. What I'm gonna do is take out these push pins here, 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 and there, just because it's not gonna sit flush when I bolt it all in. Sorry, I was trying to focus. And then, oof. Yeah. And when you bolt it up, it all flattens out. So I was worried that it's gonna look all bowed. So you can kind of see So a couple hours later, it's on the car. It's a little curved right here, like a lot of pressure on it on both sides. I don't know why, it's just how it was made. I had a big difficulty with the front lip because there's like this metal, or there's plastic shroud inside right here, and they don't give you a long enough bolt hole. So I wound up having to cut through it, and then I wound up not even using it. So there's a big hole in my bumper. See, they're not really, you can't put a bolt in there. So this is what they should do. I put, you can't see, I put a bolt right here where a factory clip went, and right here where the factory clip went, and now it ain't going nowhere. Then I just drilled the rest. But yeah, it looks all right. It was a lot of work. I definitely recommend that someone do it for you. It was a lot of work. But yeah, I guess it was worth it. Would I say worth the money? Probably not, just because of the effort and what you have to do. But it does look good, so buy it at your own risk. See you guys in the next episode. For the next one, I will be doing a full car review and going through the car and doing a POV drive, so look out for that video.